Okay. So first of all, hi, good morning, Mohan. How are you doing?
Morning, sir. Hi. Yeah, very good morning, sir. How are you,
Yeah,
sir?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. So Mohan, where are you from?
I am in the house, sir, in my room this time.
Okay. Okay, where are you from?
I am from Bihar.
Okay, and what do you do?
Nothing, sir. I am a student. I am studying.
Okay, you are a student. So are you like you are saying you're a student? Are you doing some work as well?
Yeah, sometimes I worked.
Okay,
Some.
what type of work do you do?
Uh, I am working parcel packing at a restaurant.
Okay, parcel packing at restaurant. All right. And
Food parcel.
okay, that's great. And what about English? Why are you learning this language?
Because whenever I was working in Chennai,
Mm-hmm.
Tamil Nadu, that's why everyone people speaks Tamil and educated people speaks English. That's why I faced many problems in Tamil Nadu. That's why I realized English is very important language. That's why.
Okay, so you are saying when you used to work in Tamil Nadu, right? People
Yes,
used people like you used to speak in English, or you are trying to speak in English, right? People were speaking English, correct?
yes.
So do you
Educated.
think and you told me they used to speak in English, okay? And those who don't know how to speak in English, they were speaking in Tamil, right? Those are educated. They used to speak in English. Do you think if someone is educated, they
Yeah.
talk in English? They talk in English. If someone is uneducated, okay, they talk
Yes.
in their native language. Do you think?
Yes. Tamil language.
No,
Non.
no, no. For example, you are from Bihar, okay? You are from Bihar, right? So in Bihar, okay, if someone is speaking in Bihari language, okay, I don't know Bihari or Bhojpuri, okay, so it means they are uneducated. If someone is speaking in English, they are educated. Do you think?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think if someone is speaking in English, they are educated. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So what else? Why are you learning? This language. Are you just learning this language because you want to be educated? Okay, or you want to work? You want to work somewhere. What's your main reason?
Ah, this time I am a student. I don't know about English very well, but I think in future I want to become a teacher. That's why.
All right, that's great. So do you know about this? What is this?
No, sir, no.
This is a good. I'll show you a big quiz. Uh, yeah. You know, this is a good. Okay. So I'm from Uttarakhand. Okay. Whenever we get up, okay, we take tea. I'm fond of tea. Like you're fond of English. I'm also fond of English. I'm fond of tea as well. So
Okay.
if I go to Haryana, if I go to Delhi as well, okay. So I always prefer to take tea of good. It is very beneficial for us. That's why I'm taking tea. Maybe you are thinking I don't know what Sanjay is having.
Good. Sakkar.
Yes, yeah. Sakkar is it's a sugar, right? It
Yes.
is also sweet, but it is very beneficial for our health as well. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
but
Yes.
uh, but I was saying what did you say?
What's
What did you answer that time? Sorry, I forgot that time. You were giving answer, right? What did you say that time? What was your answer?
your voice is not.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, but I
Okay,
can't
so, okay.
explain.
I was saying I was asking a question, right? I forgot your answer. What did you answer?
Yes. Actually, I could not understand.
Okay, no, I was saying I have asked a question, right? And you were answering me. What was your answer? Because I forgot that answer.
Yeah, maybe I forget, sir.
Okay, all right. So what else? What are you doing right now? Are you just sitting in home, or are you somewhere as well?
I am a stand up. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? खड़ा. हाँ.
Okay, that's great. All right. And what else? Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have many questions, but I forget this time.
Okay. Uh,
Because I'm in the house, there are many members in my house.
yeah,
That's why.
yeah, it happens when we talk in front of parents, in front of our siblings, right? We face so many challenges. We get nervous as well. So I
Yes.
think you're also feeling same thing. I can understand. But if you want
Yeah.
to ask, okay, do not feel shy, do not get nervous. Try to ask question, no problem. We are just, we are just learners. Okay, I'm not a teacher. You are not a teacher, right? Okay, right now we are not a teacher. We are just learners. Okay. If you want
Yes.
to ask any question, anything, you can ask.
Okay. So this time, what are you doing?
Well, it's been for 2 years. I'm working as an analyst, and nowadays I'm in my home. And now you can see I'm having tea as well right now.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I can see. I'm seeing you. Oh. You like
So
tea?
do you also take tea?
No, I don't like tea.
Oh my God, I'm glad you don't like tea. Otherwise,
I
you can say
take
tea is, tea is like a wine. Okay, there are so many people that take wine, right? So it's, it's also like a wine, but it's not a wine. But I'm fond of tea, and I always take tea.
yeah, it's not my habit, sir.
Yeah, it is my habit. I always take tea. Without tea, I cannot do anything.
Do you like, sir, wine?
No, I don't like wine. I don't take wine. I don't, I don't smoke. I
Yeah.
don't, chung, yeah.
I don't like nothing. Any smoke,
Yeah,
any wine, any.
yeah, that's great. We should not smoke. We should not, take wine as well. It's not good for our health,
Yeah.
right?
So, are you from Uttarakhand? Am I right?
Yes, yeah, I'm from Uttarakhand.
Okay.
So, how many siblings do you?
I have two siblings, sir.
Okay, you
I
are saying you are having two siblings, right?
Yes, yes.
All right.
Older than
So,
me, sister, and one younger than me, my brother.
all right. And what about your hobbies? What do you like?
Okay. My hobbies are listening Hindi song and watching South Indian movie and walking and teaching some students for spoken English.
Okay, so do you teach spoken English?
Yeah, I teach spoken English at one coaching.
Okay, so
I
how many students are there?
Actually this is a very famous coaching. Uh, there are many students and many teachers. I think there are 500 students about.
Oh my God, that's great. Like you are doing well. You are working. You are studying. You're teaching as well. That's great. You are a very multi-talented person.
Yes, actually in 10th class I have also studied there in 10th class. That's why all teachers know me very well. That's why I go for learning person, only learning purpose.
Okay, only for learning purpose, you are just taking classes, right? Yeah, that's
So,
good. By learning,
yeah,
you will learn how to teach, right?
yes, yes,
That's great. You are doing well. I appreciate it. And keep on working on, keep on working on same way. So maybe nowadays you are not getting that much benefit, but after some time or after some years, you will have improved your personality. Okay. So then you will get lots of benefits as well. That's great.
we have realized first of all I don't take any class. I'm unable to class. I may speak to uh, classes student, but this time I'm able to speak confidently. I know basic grammar rules. That's why I can teach easily. I speak Hindi, but I understand. I can understand all students very well.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So, all right, Mohan. Now, I have to do some house chores. And thank you so much for giving your precious time. And if you have any question as well, you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, I'm just going to wrap up this conversation. And I can say thank you so much. And I can say again, thank you so much for joining this conversation. And have a
Thank
great day as well.
you to you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.